Hi everyone, welcome to Rap4 TV. Today I'm going to demonstrate the installation of the Rap4 M249 SAW or SAW body shroud for the Tippmann A5. To start, you remove the top back pin and retain for later use. Remove your barrel. Next step is to assemble both the top and bottom portion of the shroud, at a single point only at this stage. Install the hex screw and bolt at the long extruding point of the bottom portion to the last hole at the back of the top portion of the shroud, creating a clamshell-like mechanism that opens and closes as demonstrated. Slide the complete body shroud over the A5 body, starting from the front of the A5. Fit into place and line up the holes in the shroud as shown. Replace the top back pin into its original position to get the shroud in place to line up the other holes in the shroud. Screw in first small hex screw to secure shroud assembly to body of the A5. Screw in 6 other hex screws in the remaining holes on the shroud to secure shroud in place, as shown. Reinstall barrel. Now install all your favorite accessories from Rap4 for your M249 SAW. Like this large magazine box for carrying tools or extra paintballs. Or like this handy hand grip. Or like this machine gun RAS bipod, which is made of 100% metal for long-lasting use and abuse. This will give you that steady shot for your next mission. The installation of the M249 SAW body shroud is now complete. You are now ready to show off this beast to all your friends at your next scenario mission. All of these accessories and more are available at Rap4.com, where it's as real as it gets. If you have any questions on anything you saw, you can contact us by email at info@rap4.com. Thanks for watching.